Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in this video, we are going to talk about sort formula. And in the previous videos, we have covered how you can use filters to use your table correctly. And if you have not seen that video, the link has been given above. You can check that video. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. Without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So here we do have the data, and now we are going to use the sort formula. So now as you can see the sort, and we have to select this entire array, that is my table. And here I'm going to give sort index. So I would like to sort the table as per of the country name. So simply the country name I would like to take as a column index is 3. And now I'll give this as a descending order. And once you will close the bracket and you will enter, so all the values are going to be reflect here. So as you can see here, all these values are reflecting. But now for an example, this values which we have taken here, if you would like to change your this country name in ascending order, so simply you can change this to 1. Now as you can see, now this has been sorted and to C to Z, and simply all this value it is reflecting on the table as per of the alphabets. So I hope you understood how you can use the sort functions, and still if you want to learn more about the sort function, you can write on the comment section or you can reach out on our mail ID. And till the next video, stay tuned with Byte Boost. Take care and bye bye.